Hey, I'm Liza Todd. I'll be your physical therapist today.
Nice to meet you.
How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. So tell me a little bit about what's going on today.
I'm having some pain in my low back on the left side.
Okay. So what kind of pain is it?
It's been going on, it's just chronic back pain that's
Okay.
been going on for years.
All right. And do you feel it anywhere else in your body?
It'll go down my leg, but
Okay.
that's when I stretch it.
When you stretch. So on this body chart, you would say here and then down there, and this is chronic pain right here.
Yes.
And then when you stretch it, it goes down to there.
Yes.
Any numbness or tingling?
When I stretch, there's tingling.
Okay.
No numbness.
No numbness, just tingling when you stretch, but not normal.
Not just in general.
Okay. Okay. And any other issues anywhere else in the body? And
I do have in my right shoulder blade, just when I get stressed or, kind of knot up and have some pain there, but that's not like a painful thing that I have going on with my low back. That's more of a stress related, kind of that's where I carry my tension.
okay, okay. So just kind of up here, we'll just mark that just to say we know that, we looked at that or talked about that. So,
Okay.
Okay, well, and so you said stretching kind of brings on that down the leg.
Yes.
What else makes it worse? What else do you feel that is aggravates it?
Well, I have a 2-year-old, so picking her up and down, in and out of her bed, that kind of thing hurts. And then the motion of like putting on socks or putting on shoes,
Okay.
having to bend down and pick my leg up like that, that's very painful for me. That's hard for me to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what makes it feel better? Are there anything that you do?
Stretching, and I do yoga,
Okay.
so yoga makes it feel better. That
Okay.
helps. Yeah.
Well, good. So you do yoga. What other exercise or activities do you do?
I run, but
Okay.
that actually doesn't make it feel better. That hurts.
That hurts it.
I
Okay.
think it's just the pounding on, that makes my back feel worse.
Okay. And I see you're a teacher too. How is, are you standing up in class?
Yeah, I mean, I'm standing up most of the day,
Okay.
so being on my feet probably doesn't help.
Okay.
But at the same time, sitting down hurts too, so that doesn't make it any better
Right.
either.
Well, is there anything, do you feel a difference in your symptoms in the morning versus at night? Is there a change?
Not really. It's
Okay.
just really the same
Okay, more of those activities.
throughout the day, yeah.
Okay, gotcha. Well, any positions that you're in, do they make it feel better, like sleeping or anything?
No, not really. I mean, I would say with the yoga, stretching and doing I'm not even sure what the word for it is, but when, twisting one leg to one side, I think it's like
Okay.
a supine twist or something like that. I
Okay.
think that's what it's called, but that feels good. I mean, it hurts, but it also feels good.
Okay. And then once you're back, you said it's a chronic back pain, and is it, and it's constant throughout the day? Once your symptoms come on, I guess with your leg, the tingling down there, how long does it take for that to go away?
Just whenever I'm done stretching.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, gotcha. So it's constant pain throughout the day. The activities that make it worse, they kind of go away once you stop doing those activities. Okay, gotcha. And do you have any, dizziness or nausea?
No,
Anything?
not
Okay.
really.
Any bowel or bladder changes? No. Okay. Well, good. Okay. Let's see. And so when did this start? When did your pain start?
Well, when I was in high school, I cracked a vertebra in my back, and so I think that was kind of the start of it. And saw a doctor, stayed off of it. It eventually got better, but I've since then have always had problems with my low back. But this past summer, I pulled a muscle. I fell down the stairs, and I think I maybe pulled the muscle doing something with weights. I think falling down the stairs maybe jarred something, and then doing the exercises with weights that's what actually pulled the muscle. But I saw an orthopedic surgeon, and he took x-rays and said he could see, that crack where I had cracked my vertebra, but he thought that it was a pulled muscle. So he gave me anti-inflammatories and told me just to stay off of it. But really, and I did, but since then, it really has not, it's been pretty bad since then.
Okay. So what, about 6-9 months or so? Okay. And did you get any other imaging done? You had the x-rays, but nothing
I did
else?
go to a chiropractor after I saw the orthopedic surgeon. and they took X-rays as well. But that's it.
Okay. And did the chiropractor help? Did that help relieve any of the symptoms?
Not really. I
Okay.
mean, it did temporarily, but it wasn't. It was, you have to keep going back.
Right.
So it didn't really help.
Much. Okay. And is there anything else you've done that's made it feel better?
I mean, yoga helps.
Okay.
I think if I could go to yoga every day, that I would see an improvement, but I just can't get to the classes.
Right.
At the times they have them, I can't make it every day. But that does help a good bit.
Okay. Anything else you do that helps it?
Just stretching at home. I have a foam roller,
Okay.
so that feels good. But the best thing that has been the most effective is yoga. And if I
Yoga.
could go consistently, I think that would make a difference.
Right. And have you had any massage or any ultrasound or injections or anything?
No ultrasound or injections,
Okay.
but massage, and that helps.
Okay.
And that's sort of like the chiropractor. You have to keep, you have to keep going back.
Right. It's not.
It's
yeah,
a temporary
gotcha.
fix.
Yeah. And then do you think your current problem, is it getting better, worse, staying the
I
same?
think it's just staying the
Staying
same.
the
It's not
same.
getting any better,
Okay.
but I wouldn't say it's getting any worse either.
Gotcha. And so tell me about your home environment. Do you have stairs in your house? How do you get upstairs?
I have stairs,
You
just
have
a
a
few
two-story.
into my house, but I have a 2-story house.
Okay.
So, yeah.
And where's your bedroom?
My bedroom is on the first floor, but my daughter's bedroom
is
is
on the
upstairs.
second one.
Yeah.
Okay. And who's living at home with you and your daughter?
Just me, my daughter, and my husband.
Okay.
Yeah.
And is he able to help you? Does he work real late, or is he?
No, he's able to help.
Okay. Okay. Good. And when was your last physical exam?
Oh gosh, it's probably been a couple of years.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you saw the orthopedic surgeon this summer, though,
Last summer.
or last
right,
summer?
yes,
Excuse me.
yes.
Okay. And generally, how's your health?
Good.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
And I saw, on your form you're taking the anti-inflammatories. Are you taking any other medicine?
No, that's it.
Okay, okay. And it looks to like your system, your review of system's good. So no dizziness, no night pains, and everything else looks pretty good. So okay, thank you.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it, and I'll
Nice
be
to
right back
meet
with you.
you.
You too.